Hello, welcome to Sunny Side Up. And today I'm going to try glow in the dark slime. I got green because green is my favorite color. So let's get digging. There we go. Ooh, feel it already. Ew, 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 ew. Ugh. It it feels and looks like you're holding a big glob of booger. Look at that. Ugh. Ugh. Get back in there. Look at that. It's gooey at the same thing. It's just disgusting. Look at that. Ugh. 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 Sliding slide to slide. Whoa, 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 whoa. I love doing that. But ew, it's supposed to glow in the dark. Who wants this? I should have got green. Because green looks like boogers. Oh, green boogers. See, right there. A big chunk of booger. There you go. Do you want to eat it? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Okay, let's shut off. Oh, it wanted a fart. I don't know why it wanted a fart, but let's turn off the light and see what happens. I'll be right back. Hold on. Yeah, it's supposed to glow in the dark. Let's see. That lighting is right there, but see, sometimes it doesn't really glow in the dark. Only in dark places. Or I got it at Hippie Spirits, if you know where that is. It's in Granite City. It's called Hippie Spirits. You can look it up. Has like incense. Has the slime. Has made purses. Oh no! Yikes. We don't want that in there. Oh. And don't drop it if you get it. That'll be real bad. Pull out. So yeah, and it makes your hands a little bit moist. I don't like, well, I do like moist, but not moist hands. I love washing my hands. I hate things making my hand moist. Like this. Looks like booger. Get all that booger together. Anyways, yeah. So let's put it back in. Got this. Harden. Harden again. Put that back in there. I'm gonna do this. That feels so weird. It makes my cheeks moist. Had what do I lack? Nom 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 nom. Oh god. Oh, look, it came out my ear. Oh. So why do I keep on putting it in and out? You're going to stay inside. There. Stay! I really like the picture because it looks like a trash can with goo coming out of it. It's supposed to glow in the dark, but I don't think it has enough sunlight to glow in the dark. So anyways, bye and subscribe and tell me what you want and I'll do it. Like, do anything. I'll love to do it. Even if it includes, like, just putting on one shoe. So, yeah, bye. Slime, say bye. Bye. You're staying back in there, Slime. I'm gonna name it Slime. Actually, Greeny Slime. No, I'm not gonna name it anything. It's just Slime. It's just Slime. Have you ever heard the Just Guys or the Just Girls? It's just Slime. It's just a shoe. It's just a shirt. It's just short. And so yeah. Bye. Have an awesome and peaceful day. Bye.